Hi, Vencore Weather meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, October 3rd. A powerful cold front is barreling towards the East Coast. It will arrive in the I-95 corridor late tonight, early tomorrow. Looks like the rain should hold off primarily to the late night hours into the morning on Saturday. Clearing will take place Saturday afternoon from southwest to northeast. D.C. will clear first, New York City last. New York City could actually have rain right into the early afternoon hours, and then all the heavy rain should move up towards New England. Tomorrow night and Sunday will feature some of the coolest air seen so far this fall season. High temperatures on Sunday will struggle to pass 60 degrees in many I-95 corridor locations, and low temperatures early Sunday morning could actually dip into the upper 30s in some suburban locations along the I-95 big cities. Again, the coolest air seen so far this fall season coming in for Saturday night and Sunday. Let's take a look at the current surface map. Here's all the action right now associated with this strong frontal system. It is cutting across the Ohio Valley right now. Cold air pouring into the northern plains and western Great Lakes. Even the threat for some snow over the next 12 hours or so from Minnesota up across maybe the western part of Wisconsin, maybe even a few scattered areas of snow in the northern Rockies associated with this blast of cold air. And again, this cold air reaches the I-95 corridor tomorrow afternoon, and especially will be felt tomorrow night and Sunday. Well, here's the latest radar loop showing the Ohio Valley and portions of the northeast U.S. All the precipitation out here associated with that cold frontal system. Again, numerous showers and some embedded thunderstorms out across the Ohio Valley. Looks like, again, most of the rain should hold off till after 10 p.m. in the D.C. area, primarily after midnight in Philadelphia, and towards morning in the New York City metro region. Certainly can be some downpours associated with this strong cold frontal system. We've talked over the last couple of days about some strong upper level support. That will certainly promote the possibility of some brief heavy downpours, maybe even a few embedded thunderstorms with some gusty winds late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And again, during the afternoon, that clearing should begin from the southwest and the D.C. side, work its way to the northeast. New York City will be the last to clear along the I-95 corridor here in the Mid-Atlantic region, and New England will have heavy rainfall tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Well, here's the latest infrared satellite imagery loop. Not too difficult to tell where that cold frontal system is. Right in this region right here is the low pressure area. Cold front extends all the way south. Some strong thunderstorms developing right along the cold front in the Ohio Valley in the south central part of the U.S. A lot of cold air pouring into the northern plains, and again, some snowflakes in the air across a good part of Minnesota, perhaps even into western Wisconsin. Some sun today here. Actually turns out to be a pretty nice day as we close out the work week. Rain-free throughout the day today with some sunshine and temperatures reaching into the 70s ahead of this strong cold frontal system. Well, let's follow the forecast of this powerful cold front using last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. We'll begin with this evening's forecast. And here is the cold frontal system as of this time into the eastern part of the Ohio Valley. Notice the rainfall just now moving into the D.C. and southeastern part of Pennsylvania. Again, primarily after 10 p.m. in D.C., primarily after midnight in Philly. Certainly can be a shower or two during the early evening hours, but the steadiest, heaviest rain should hold off till late tonight. Cold air again pouring into the western Great Lakes by this time. This is early evening forecast. Let's now jump ahead 12 hours to Saturday morning. And here's the forecast map for early tomorrow morning. That frontal system just around the I-95 corridor. Probably the heaviest rainfall will occur right around this time, anytime from late tonight to the through the early part of Saturday morning. Can be some rumbles of thunder, can be some brief downpours, as this cold frontal system has tremendous upper level support. Again, clearing will start to set in Saturday afternoon, first in the D.C. metro region and last in the New York City region, and New England will stay rainy all day tomorrow into tomorrow night. Well, here's the forecast map for tomorrow night, and by this time the rainfall should be ending, if already over in the New York City metro region. Certainly several hours of rain-free conditions by this time tomorrow night across D.C. and Philadelphia. And notice this blue line here representing kind of a freezing line in the lower parts of the atmosphere, moving to the south and east, and the coldest air of the season so far reaches the I-95 corridor tomorrow night into Sunday. Again, there can be some upper 30s in some of the normally colder suburban locations along the big cities in the I-95 corridor between D.C. and New York City by early Sunday morning. And here's the forecast map for Sunday morning. Just a chilly air mass here on Sunday. High temperatures Sunday afternoon will struggle to pass the 60-degree mark up and down the I-95 corridor. Also will be a noticeable cool breeze. The good news is that it'll rebound quite nicely on Monday, perhaps 5 to 10 degrees warmer on Monday compared to Sunday. Still a bit on the cool side for this time of the year, but nonetheless quite a rebound compared to Sunday. And then Tuesday looks like a rather mild day ahead of the next cold frontal system that will likely bring some showers back into the I-95 corridor late Tuesday or Tuesday night. Just ahead of the front, winds will turn back to the southwest again, and temperatures should move well up into the 70s by Tuesday afternoon before it turns cooler again next midweek. So a powerful cold front racing towards the East Coast. Periods of rain and maybe even a thunderstorm or two and some gusty winds associated with that frontal system late tonight, tomorrow morning. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.